Hi everybody, Hardcore RC here again, out with Callum and his Mini Max, or Max, whatever you want to call it, not really fussed. Now at a new location, probably recognise it, and the crew down there, got Claire's RC, Kev. We're going to see what the Max can do at this location with the Vitavon diff bulkhead. So if you like what we're doing, please remember to
subscribe, hit the like, comment down below and turn on the notifications.
Let's see what the Mini Max, or the Max, whatever you want to call it, can do. Challenge. Gotta leave that ramp, clear this, stay under the tree and land on the berm coming down the other side. Now, according to Kev, nobody's actually done that yet. So Jack is going to try it with the EXB. Ooh. How did he miss the tree and the stump? I don't know. But that could have been nasty. Callum's going to have a go with the Max. I doubt that would do it. It's not got the power. Oh, nicely landed though. That was nicely landed. Oh, perfect. Oh, close. Nicely landed, but hasn't got the power. Oh, that's not so nice. Thanks, Callum. Oh, he's landed it again. Callum's going to do a backwards special. Backwards special? Oh!
Is it right?
Traxxas tough. Fine by the looks of it, unless you've broken the rear bulkhead. That is how you break the rear bulkhead though.
Yeah.
No more of that. And the Max do it. Oh, it's taking divots out. You going gardening, Callum? Bit of divot action. Going to try the challenge with the X Max now. I don't think we've got enough power or speed with it though. Oh, now the Banggood.
What did you do?
It took it though.
Right, let's see if it took it. That's alright. Look at that. Banggood tough, baby.
Okay, so I think we've broken a hub by the looks of it, but I'm pretty sure we have spares, so we'll get that on there and keep sending it. The main thing is the Vitavon front bulkhead is holding up beautifully. Nicely landed.
That was a hat trick.
Callum's going to go with the EXB. Oh! Oh, broke it.
That was close though.
Oh, got spares. It's the pillar ball. Okay, so the EXB is all fixed. Callum still thinks he can do the challenge, which nobody else has done to date. He was close. Is he going to break it? Is he going to make it? Or is he going to fall short? Oh. No, it's gone again. Yeah, it's popped out again. Got a crack in it. Oh, both of them now. Dumb. Stupid tree got in the way.
That would have cleared it as well.
Getting it now.
Yeah, it's getting it now.
Oh, Callum's getting the Max out. Is it Max time, Callum?
Yeah, it's Max time.
Had enough of the Italian?
No.
No? Just fancy a change?
Yeah.
Oh, nicely landed. We need some backflips though, Callum. Oh! There goes the body. But it's all Traxxas. Traxxas tough.
Alright, Traxxas tough.
Yep.
Fine.
Fine.
See how fast I can.
That's better, Callum. Oh, nicely jumping the mat. This case, bulkead is taking some news today.
And this man drive my Max.
Can I drive? Easy to drive. Oh, I'm having them all. I'm gonna have them all. Get it? Come on. I'm having you.
Mini Max versus X Max.
That's better than the Max. Oh! Oh, it's in the nut. The Callum's going to attempt a backwards jump now. No, I didn't quite pull it off. Didn't quite pull that off. What do you think of the Max, Callum?
Love it.
Love it.
Second
Love.
on the car list. First
Second?
for durability.
Ah, good. Right guys, if you like what we're doing, please remember to
Subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and turn on the notifications.
We'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. It's the Max and Callum, Parker RC, signing out.